In this video, I'm going to show you how to make chocolate cupcakes. The first step is to preheat a pan on the stove for 10 minutes since we're not going to use an oven. Next, I'm going to place a strainer onto a bowl and add the all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, powdered sugar, baking soda and baking powder. Now I'm going to add the condensed milk and melted butter and mix them again. You need to mix them until you get a smooth consistency like this. Now that we have our batter ready, I'm going to place the cupcake liners into small steel cups so that I can make my cupcakes on the stove. After I've placed the liners, I'm going to fill each of them with the batter to about half of each cup. After filling all the cups, you can now place them into the pan on the stove. You need to let this sit for about 15 to 20 minutes at a medium flame, and also don't forget to check a few times in between to see if it's ready. After you've taken the cupcakes out, you can start decorating them. I've decorated my cupcakes with a thin layer of icing sugar, nuts and cherries. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to check out our other videos too. Also, drop a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button.